Ïing Dorbar thawaan ke jela Meghalaya hak arpoi terik rempang arja arpsau kala pentip bakala Weng ke Bynta Jingkren unong thawaan ke Voice of the People's Party na nongkrem uba Ardent melebasayo moy kabolakran habaya Bynta ke jing etai lani ke motion halor ki jing bamat ki nongshong snong kaput ke jela Meghalaya namar ke jing stay Kyrteng jong yo Weng Myntri ke Sorkar Assam ubala penpau dangshan Ïing Dorbar thawaan ke jela Assam ba omdei ban ai jaka sha Meghalaya hak jing penbet put phase 2 ban 1 Kumbon syukuro baya ketai ke motion lawan rakyat tai daw nong tawaan ke Kongres na mauhati uba Charles Marngar hak sengi balai jong ke Dorbar mang tingka ke Ïing Dorbar hak arpau terik rempang arja arpsau hak bala wat jing pensyai na ke Sorkar halor ke jing kipat ba kaput no Myntri rang ba ke jelau konrat ki sangma bad ya bentaru dakiwe dikot ke Ïing yakani ke jing Weng ya ke Bynta Jingkren la pentip daw lampang ke Ïing Dorbar u Thomas sangma Maria dep ke kenta keli jing keli hak sengi basau jong ke Dorbar dak ke bakdo bakat kum ki nong rim penyat Dorbar om sya ban say ke Kyrteng jong Myntri Sorkar nakui ke jela khenang ban penne ke jing dei.
Before we come to the next item, which is the 0 hour, I have a small announcement to make. Honorable members, yesterday while discussing on the motion brought by Sri Charles Marngar, MLA, on the problem faced by the people in the border dispute, Sri Ardent Ambassador, Honorable Member, had mentioned the name of a certain minister during the course of his speech. In order to maintain cordial relation and mutual harmony between two state governments, it is not appropriate to take the name of the minister concerned. It may be referred only as a minister from that state. Therefore, as per Rule 304, the name of the minister concerned shall be expunged from the proceedings of the House. This is also as per the parliamentary practice and procedure.